how to create vinculate batches. So first, go to payout section, and then you will find here all the payouts and the person who is in charge. If you are in a multi-level organization, um, maybe another name of your colleague will appear in here. In this case, I don't have that, but no worries. It is very important that um, maybe some of these payment requests will be already inside of a batch payout. So how can I know if it's inside of a batch payout? So in here, this little check says request group in a batch. So it means it's already inside of a batch payout. But if you find it in here, this one is not grouped, which means you can group them. You can just select them, and then you have three options in here. The options that you have is include in an existing batch or include in a new batch. My recommendation is that you could use this one, okay? But you don't have to anyway. But my suggest is that you should be using this one. Go here and just select it in here. I'm gonna give you an example. Here you will find all the batches that are not being paid or they are on draft. You can add it in here, click in here, and then you have already put it inside of a batch payout. As you can see, this one already have like many others. What can you do? Right now you are in a batch payout that is in draft. What can you do? What you can do is you can vinculate, or you can add or you can remove payouts from here. In this case, creators are still not being notified about the payments because you are still on creation mode. Okay, so right now, as you can see, um, and you can ungroup from here. You can see you can link the selected information. I will just link it just to see, just to show you the example. Okay, here is very important. Here, in this section, is very important that if you are paying in euro, this all information should be in euro. And if you is in dollars, US dollars, all this information should be in US dollar. Okay, this is very important because this will determine the invoice that we are going to send you. Okay, this is a very important thing. Just make sure you are just reviewing the information. All is good. If all is good, you just click here in ready to pay and then request invoice. In here you can see this already requested. You can see the dates that is being moved, and this gonna be mainly your responsibility. Okay, what's gonna happen next is that you're gonna receive an invoice that you need to download it and send it to your department, finance department. Your finance department will pay the invoice, and then this batch invoice will be updated to paid, and then at the same time we'll be sending payments the next status, and then when we pay all the creators, all the payment status will be all paid. Okay, so but your job will be just mainly these three things, that is selecting and adding all the payment requests inside of a batch into a draft, put them ready to approve them, receive the invoice and send it to finance team, notify us about that the invoice is paid, and then Zexel Pay will start paying all the creators. I hope this guy can help you understanding a little bit more about the use cases for Zexel Pay.